Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. As you can see this in the last tutorials for the Revit plumbing, we have done for the domestic cold water piping. Now we have to do the domestic hot water pipe. So hot water is generally supplied to this sink and wash basin. For the flushing we are not supplying the hot water, and in the urinal also. So we have to do this hot water piping for this sink and wash basin only. Wash basin, sink and bathtub. Okay. So before I start this video, I would like to request you guys, if you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribing, because to get the notification of my upcoming videos, whenever you have to subscribe my channel, you will get the notification when I have upload the video. Okay. So please do subscribe and hit the bell icon as well. So let us start now. You can see this is the domestic cold water pipe. So first of all you have to check the elevation of this pipe. So simply click this one and you can see the elevation of this pipe is 2750 mm. Okay, and the diameter is 2 inch, 50 mm. Okay, so what you will do, simply go to this system tab, select the pipe, and in this properties panel you need to change it here. The system type is domestic hot water. Okay, and elevation you need to change the elevation, because if you keep the same elevation it will clashes. My system is lagging little bit, so what you will do, you need to change the elevation. So you take 3000 mm. Okay, 3000, and simply start change the pipe dia 50 mm. We will design later, because in this plumbing design I already made the video how to design the pipe size and all. So in this Revit we have to simply draw this. So start drawing your pipe here. Okay, domestic hot water. Okay, so simply connect this pipe to this riser. This is hot water riser. So I draw like this and connect it here. Now what you will do, you need to connect these fixtures with this pipe. So what you will do, simply select this wash basin. Okay, please select this one, and then you can see here in this modify tab there is one option, connect into. Okay, so simply select this connect into, and you can see this is the selector, select connector. Okay, so there are two, sanitary and hot water. So we are discussing about sanitary, so simple select this sanitary. Okay, domestic hot water. Okay, and simply click OK, and then select this pipe. It will connect to this pipe. So Revit is required actually heavy speed, minimum 8 GB RAM, so it's lagging and it's off. Okay, so select these pictures, connect into hot water pipe, then select this and simply save this, because once it is lagging your file is lost. Okay, again select this third one, connect into, and then select this domestic hot water, select this pipe, there you go, and then save it. Okay, so this your hot water is created, and you have to open this 3D view. Where you go. Okay, so you can see here, this is slit pipe is showing your hot water pipe. Okay, and the elevation of both pipe are different, because if you will keep the same elevation, it will overlap. Okay, so you should keep the different elevation just to avoid the clashing. Okay, you can see this pipe is not clash with this cold water pipe. If you want to see different view, you simply click here in the corner of this cube. See, this is your hot water pipe. Okay, connected with these fixtures, and then it is connected with this riser. Okay, and this riser is going on the roof. It will connect to this heater. Okay, so this normal water is going to the heater, and then hot water in this heater is heating the water and supply to these fixtures. Okay, now we have to draw this. If you want to show different view, you simply click on the corner of this cube. It will show you the different view. Later on we will connect this pump and all, so we will do this connection one by one, and we have to place later on one tank above this roof. This is a overhead water tank, and this pipe will connect to that overhead water tank, and we have to place one underground water tank, and that water tank is connected to this pipe, and there will be one booster pump. So we will see one by one. So I think you guys learned something from this video, so please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Simply click on the corner of this cube just to see this drawing in the different view. Okay, so you can see this is your sink, and is connected this tap, domestic cold water and hot water. Okay, and this is showing in this architectural plan. This was placed before, so you can off this also, no issue. So hot water is supplying only to this sink and bathtub. Okay, as per the plumbing, I already designed the plumbing. I already made the video for the plumbing design, so you can see that video. Okay, so now we are going to stuff it here. In the next tutorial, guys, we have to draw this sanitary piping. Okay, and we'll connect to that pipe to this main riser. After that, we have to place the overhead and underground water tank, and after that we will place the pump and connect. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.